Okay, right. Now in question B, we're given that the diagram below shows a picture of a bow and arrow. Here's the bow and arrow. Now this picture is represented on the sets of x's below. This is the sets of x's, right? Now they say that point A, so in point A, right, it's 3, 0, so there's going to be a 3 there, and then at point B there's basically going to be a 7 there, né? Then they say that E is 6, 6, right? So E is 6, 6, all right? And they are given, and then they say that CD is parallel to AP. Now in question 1, they say that determine the equation of the parabola in the form y equals to ax squared plus bx. Now for you to actually determine a parabola, and there's two ways to it. If Now let me give you those ways. Number one, if you are given the turning point and another point on the parabola, then you will use this equation: y equals to ax minus p squared plus q, where p comma q is the turning point. All right, and then the other one, if you are given um, the x intercepts, right, and another third point on the parabola, then you will use y equals to ax minus x1 minus x2, where x2 and x2 are your x coordinates for your x intercepts. All right, so there's two ways. You can either be given a turning point and another point. If you are given the turning point and another point, then you're gonna use this equation there. That one we call it the vertex form. Then this one we call it the x-intercept form. Now, can you see that in this question below, in this question given to us, we actually do have the x-intercept and another third point, so we don't have to use this one. So we're gonna basically use that one, right? So using that one, remember now, so we're gonna say therefore y equals to a x minus we are given 3 and x minus, and we are also given 7, right? And then another thing, we also given another point which is 6, 6. So now we're going to say sub e 6, 6, so that we can find our a, right? Then if you do that, you're going to say 6 there equals to a 6 minus 3, 6 minus 7, then you're going to say equals to, so 6 minus 3 times 6 minus 7, you get minus 3a, and then we're going to divide both sides by negative, sorry, by negative 3, and then you should get your a to be minus 2. Now if you do rewrite that equation now, it should be y equals to minus 2x minus 3 and then x minus 7. Now they didn't want us to leave the equation here. They want us to put the parabola or the equation, this equation, into that kind of a form, which we normally refer to it as the standard form. Now for us to do that, we're gonna need to expand these brackets and then multiply inside with the minus 2. So we're gonna use the distributive law to expand these both brackets. Now using the distributive law, we're gonna say minus 2, then it's going to be x times x, which is x squared, then x times 7, which is minus 7x, minus 3 times x is minus 3x, minus 3 times minus 7, it should be plus 21. Yes, it should be plus 21. Then it's going to be equals to minus 2, then it's going to be x squared minus 10x plus 21. And then if you still use the distributive law to multiply with the negative 2 inside there, you should get now minus 2x squared plus 20x and then minus 2 times 21 minus 42. All right, so that's the parabola in its standard form. It should be minus 2x squared plus 20x minus 42. Okay,